Hello, Michael Mazarang here again with Mazarang Consulting, and today I'd like to talk a little bit about sealed crawl spaces. If you currently have a sealed crawl space and you're experiencing odors and smells, I'd like to talk to you. We've been getting a lot of calls lately about funny odors coming from sealed crawl spaces. If you're looking to purchase a house that has a sealed crawl space, or perhaps you're looking to encapsulate your crawl space, you need to call me first. I'm an independent crawlspace moisture specialist here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I am not affiliated with a franchisee, and I am not a commission-based salesperson. I'd like to talk to you about the actual science of what goes behind sealing up a crawl space. There's a few inherent problems with sealed crawl spaces. A, when you encapsulate a crawl space, you're trapping the gases inside the crawl space, and they off-gas odors into the upper areas of your house. The insulation off-gases an odor, the construction materials, the soil. Basically, when you encapsulate, you're encapsulating those smells inside your crawl space. If you have any fungal growth, or perhaps you have a drainage problem underneath the liner, mold can build up underneath the liner and cause serious odors and smells to percolate up into the upper areas. If you're currently experiencing those symptoms, we call that the cat urine effect. I know it sounds gross, but go ahead and put that in your browser. Cat urine encapsulation, and you'll pull up all kinds of people that are having trouble with their sealed crawl spaces. If you're currently having that challenge, or you're thinking of encapsulating your crawl space, give me a call for a free consultation, and I'll be glad to share with you a more relevant and more current type of a solution that we can apply to your crawl space that will solve the problem. If you have an existing sealed crawl space that you've spent a lot of money on, the good news is I can help. For a small additional investment, we can retrofit that sealed crawl space, and we can get rid of those odors and smells. And also, we can get rid of the reliance on that expensive dehumidifier that breaks down and you have to replace every 2 to 3 years. And that's $1,500 each time. We'll save you a bunch of money on your power, and we'll solve your challenge and improve the overall air quality in your house. Please give me a call, 704-787-6972. The main thing is don't panic. Don't make it a big decision with a company that tries to pressure you into doing a closing on site. Always, always, always get second and third opinions. Give me a call. I'm here to help. Michael Mazarang, 704-787-6972. Thank you.